In today's video, let's talk about how to check the Viber message history. You can view all of your message history inside of Viber just by heading over to each of your chats. If you have not deleted your messages or the disappearing message was not turned on, you will be able to view all of your chat history inside of each of your chats. If you have a lot of chats inside of your Viber and you're trying to find a specific message, what you can do is tap on the search bar on the top and then you can search for particular names or phrases that is related to the message that you're looking for. This way, Viber will show you different results that are divided into different chats. These messages can be inside of a personal chat, group chats, or other chats as well. If your messages are no longer showing on your phone, after reinstalling the app, you can only recover them if you have the Viber Backup turned on. The Viber Backup is available on the More option if you head over to Settings, and if you head over to Account, right here you'll see the option called Viber Backup. Only if you have enabled the Viber Backup on a Google account, you will be able to recover all of your previous chats. If you have not turned on the Viber Backup, there is no way of restoring all of your messages that were previously inside of Viber. So that's all there is for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you check Viber message history. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.